fucking sorry. Uh, Carrying this two luggage is very difficult on motorcycles. It's like is I mean on the motorcycles. I mean to say the in this kind of situation it feels like it's better to have a moped so that you can easily carry more stuffs than the usual. On motorcycles you see like I'm carrying one bag and there's one bag on my bike tank. But by the way, there is this tank bag will come. Yeah, I think probably I should buy. Maybe that would solve the problem. Yeah, let me buy like later, not now. Once, or maybe like a future days I'll buy. Maybe later, not at the moment. If I invest, people gonna kill me at home. I'm already. This itself, you imagine like GoPro itself. I'm using like after 1 year. I bought it like 1 year back, and I'm using it now. At least I started something. Okay, boss. ಏನ್ ಮೆಂಟ್ಲುಗಳು ಗುರು. ಕಾರ್ ತರ ಓಡಿಸ್ರು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬೈಕ್ ತರ ಓಡಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ನೋಡೋಣ ಫುಲ್ಲು ಝೂಮಲ್ಲಿ ಅವನೇ ಝೂಮಲ್ಲಿ. I don't know. A little that character got into like Venom. Yeah, guys. Like by the way, have you guys watched Venom? Venom. Sorry, fuck. What I am saying. Venom. Last Dance. Oh, it dies, man. Venom will die at the last part. I don't know. Like I haven't watched the previous parts. I watched it later. Uh, I didn't connect it to Venom that much like any other super characters like the Batman, Iron Man, or like any other the Marvel character, right? But this one, I don't know, like Venom, I personally got connected so much. You guys must watch Venom Last Dance. Yeah, it's a really good movie. In that, the hero, I don't know his name, but he's my favorite as well. Oh, he acted. There's another movie called I don't remember. I'm not able to recall. That's also a super movie. But in this one, The Last Dance, right? They give more. I mean, they both given life to the characters. I must say, yeah. I literally felt very bad, man. I watched twice. It's available. It's there on Netflix. Yeah. I felt really bad. hopefully, like, Venom will come back again. Yeah, it should. Personally, I felt, I don't know, I really connected in the last part. No, previous parts are like, it was just like killing and eating like bad people, and this one, that's a fight between the Venoms and the aliens. Uh, yeah, and he'll sacrifice his life for to save save the hero and humans. Basically, look at this fellow. He thinks it's a bike, scooty maybe. Why, man? Luckily, there is no cop. Boy, shit happens. Like, don't know what's his emergency. Maybe some problem. Oh, I thought he wants to go via this road. That guy is going one way. Oh, by the way, this ಈ ತರ ಬಂದ್ರೆ, ಹಿಂಗ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಆರನ್ ಹೊಡಿಬೇಕು, ನುಗ್ಗೋದಲ್ಲ ಹಂಗೆ. Idiot. I've seen like tractors can get easily, they can lose the control. As in, if I'll share the video. So you should have little control. You can't just ride like any other normal vehicles that meant to be off-road vehicle and on-road vehicle, but still you should drive very carefully that vehicle. The kind of the power it has, yeah, anyway, so what I was saying, the Venom Last Dance, right? In that movie, the Venom actually, seriously, I never realized until I watched the Last Dance, the kind of power the Venom has. Oh man, literally it grabs with his like a jelly kind of a body. He hold almost like all the aliens and just go get into that. There's like a the kill box, killing room, right? Sort of. So it just takes everyone into that, and it just, oh man, even if I imagine that screen, the scene, I I feel that my tears will come now. Kind of a scene, very emotional. That was. Now at that scene, this part, it made me to watch what more, like, that made me more curious. I'm waiting for the next Venom to come. Maybe, don't know, like Venom with a new look, new avatar, maybe. Yeah, he should come back. Yeah, it will be a lot of fun. Imagine what if the Venom, little Venom, what do you say? How do you say? Venom, some flesh piece somewhere. It's just, it was there, and like that. It now that will form like a Venom to come back. That will be fun. Yeah. Or maybe, don't know, like Venom with some other Super Marvel character would be nice. Lot of fun. Too much imagination, huh? I know. ದೇವ್ರಿಗೊಂದು ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಏನ್ರಿ ಮೀಡಿಯಾ ಡಿ ಬಾಸ್. ಆಂಟಿ ಲೈಕ್ ತಂದಾನಿ ತಾನೋ ತಾನಿ ತಂದಾನೋ ಒಂದು ಎರಡು ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್ ಶಿ ಇಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್. सोते हो दे सोते हो दे सोते हो दे नी सोते हो दे सोते हो दे सोते हो दे नी मदना कन्हैया ನನ್ನಾಯದೆಗೆ ಇಳಿಸೋ ಭಾಷೆ ಅನುರಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ನೆನಪೀಜಿಯದೆ ನನಗೂ ನೆನಪು having like carrying two bags is very challenging, I would say. Not like challenging, like difficult to ride. Something you should do about it, right? I think I should do something about it. Yeah, office going experience. Wow. Mr. Clean, Enfield uh, GT, which is my favorite bike, by the way. I like the uh, Royal Enfield GT uh, Clean Edition, which is the metallic gray. There is no color in it. It's just the shining stainless steel sort of a finish. Yeah, that's really, I mean, that's my favorite. Now it's like, I don't know, like they've launched Duke 390. That's also slightly kind of attracting me. I don't know. Still, like, I'm thinking. Like, I don't know, like how need to see more reviews. Still, I'm not sure like how the bike is. It's so annoying. These customer cares, and you're getting so many like unwanted calls. It's so annoying. I think I need to do something about it. Either I should, I don't know, I can't change the number, but I have to do something. Like, I don't know, to Truecaller's Truecaller is providing the there is a premium subscription where you can spam the calls. As in, you can block the these kind of spam calls. They have the normal version, which is like you can block it, but still, like, people, if they bought a subscription or something, so even though we block their numbers, that will still work. They can still call you. That kind of a subscription, what those, the calling persons, they will optimize. I mean, they will opt. Where we can opt the subscription, like we can block the I mean, that's their business model. How you see, both side they're making money, and the both case also there is a use case, right? Two use case. One, people wants to block the numbers. The other hand, the people wants to have to call, even though people, like, if you block your numbers. Oh man, how business model they're thinking. Crazy. Truecaller. Pulsar vehicles have reduced these days. Very rarely you'll find Pulsar vehicle. Mostly you'll find NS everywhere. Yeah, it's better I'll take service road. Otherwise you'll get stuck in the traffic. So what I was saying, the see, I told you, right? Here it will be traffic. You'll get stuck. So better not to jump the signal. Just 2 minutes. No problem, we can wait. Wow. Free road today. It should be like every day. Every day should be like this. I can easily stretch like 60, 65, 70. Yeah, this road is not that long, but whatever you can stretch up at least. Oh wow, what's happening? Thor, Mahindra Thor, something. Oh. Tomato boy. Today it's not the traffic. The roads are a little free for some reason, don't know. Satwa. Ooh. All the traffic people are assembled over here. Oh shit. Oh, even the flyover is also traffic, man, today. Shit. I was feeling so happy by seeing the road, but moment I reached Yeshwanthpur, it is full of traffic. So beauty of this 125cc, all this tiny slim vehicles, you can easily can maneuver in these kind of traffics. That's the beauty of it. Imagine if you have a Royal Enfield with a huge bumper and all, you can't maneuver. Such these kind of situations. Why is so much traffic today? I'm not sure. Because of more buses, huh? I can see more buses. Oh, day after tomorrow is Bandh, guys. Is it because of that people like all the buses are going for any convoy or something? I don't know. People are struggling to cross that road. That fellow is like so relaxedly is going. Just now I saw there were no traffic, and now I see. So by the way, this is Triveni Road. Just to bro, like on 5 minutes back, it was not that much traffic. All of a sudden, I see it's this huge traffic. The CV vehicles, that it doesn't make any noise, or you won't come to know if it just come next to you. Or like it's like no, it's so smooth, soundless. RX, another RX. RX 100, RX 135. Those were like back then. They were like very high demanded vehicles, I must say. Uh, like the craziness that people had about RX 100 and now 135. Like everybody, I think even today, people are so crazy about that RX vehicles, Yamaha. People still like, they still, many people owns it. Like again, they buy them. Two strokes. I can see too many toilets near Ramaya. Are they the owners or they are the brokers? I'm not sure. Don't know. That guy just looks like my old colleague Albin. Was it you? uh, that was really fun time back in, like, I don't remember, like it was like 15 or 14 or 17. I don't know, is it because of the eating issue or the it's the battery didn't charge only because of the eating issue, or the video start flickering. Is it the GoPro issue or the battery issue? I'm not sure. Yes, I googled it. It says the temperature. But I'm not sure why. Now when I touch the battery, it is very hot. The battery was very hot. So now I'm actually, today I'm heading to office, to the IoT's office, where actually the team, the founders, we are all cooking up something. Soon it will be out, like it will come to the social media and all. It's already started, so officially it is not launched yet because the product is still not ready yet, because we are still working on it, because we are working on it still, because we don't want to go with any like unshaped or like unless the product is like stable, or I say the proper product ready. We are working on the products, but soon we will be out, like we will hit the market very soon with very good products. Yeah, cool, fun, education and fun. Those kind of products. Yeah, like yesterday or day before yesterday, our founder, he showed us one product. It was so cool. Like as a customer point of view, I personally felt it is a good. So It's not just for the sake I'm saying because I'm working there. No, like I genuinely saying the product was really good. Yeah. Okay. Finally, I reached the office.